hindi lang boss, hindi lang kaibigan, hindi lang lolo, kundi kaibigan namin talaga. He was a true friend to each one of us. And inano niya kami kung gaano yung suporta namin sa kanya, mas lalo pa ang suporta niya to each and every one of the staff ng Mami. So we worked together for very long years. Gani, you listen now to me, sabi. Kilala mo niya? Yun, he's not only, sabi ko nga, he's not only a friend, a true lolo to each of the staff, but also to my family. He became very close not only to the family of Gani, to our 5 boys, but also to our extended family. Na every time meron occasion, meron special occasion to celebrate, he was always there with us. So, Father, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo P. Happy birthday. Praying for God's more blessings for you, for your good health, and healthy years.
Here's to 100 years.
Pray for 1 year more. 1 year more.
100 years na.
God bless you in a special way. Thank you.